this video, we are going to create a table. First of all, we are going to create a class, and then we will write. We just have to write the name of class, whatever you want. My class, a new class, or for example, I am creating tables, so I am using table name. Then create the main method. Every class, the main class must have the main method. Without main method, we cannot run the Java program. So in the main method, we are just going to create a table which is, we have to understand the logic. First of all, we are going to write the for loop for the multiplication. For example, we are writing I equal to 1 from the starting point 1 to, we are going to give the condition 10, 1 to 10. Then we will use increment or decrement. For example, I plus plus, it is increasing. First we give the 1, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it's increasing. Then we are going to create a system out dot println for output. System out dot println. Then inside it, we are going to write the table of 2. So first we will 2, and then multiplication sign. I am just multiplication, giving the x is the multiplication sign. Then I am going to write plus I means 2 multiplied by I. 2 multiplied by I means 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So 2 is constant, so I written inside the inverted commas. Then I am going to write the logic, that is I multiplied by 2. For example, I am giving the 1, then it will be multiplied by 2 and give result there where I use. So now we have to run, and this is the 2 table, this is the I, and we have no error. Let's run. So this is the table of 2 we just created. So this is a table, this is a constant table. For example, I have given the 2 and it is creating a table of 2. If I will change the number I multiplied by 2, it will, for example, let's create another table. For example, I am going to create the table of 12, then I will change there and here. So let's run the file. So it has created a table of 12 till 10. So I was over 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is increment. So now we are just going to create another logic by which, for example, user must have the choice. For example, the user wants to create a 12 table or any other. First of all, we are going to import the scanner class from which user can get input. So this is the scanner class. Then we will create the scanner class object. So scanner, if you haven't studied about the object, then you just have to remember this line, scanner, and we are going to give system dot in the bracket of object. So now our object has been created, and whatever we find, we are going to give the choice to in choice of the table, so which table he wants. So we are going to system out dot println. So in the inverted comma, we want to show the message. So enter for example, enter your number, we can say enter table number. For example, enter table number which you want. So the user, for example, we are deleting Alan because we want to show the number in front of it in the same line. Then integer n, because we are getting the number, so it is integer n. Now what we will do is c dot next int, because we are getting the integer. If we will get another type, we can int the string int sc dot next line for the string, for the byte, for double, for long. Now we need an integer, so we use integer. Now what we will do, it is the position of table, so we are going to write outside the plus, because in the inverted commas it will copy same. For example, if we write n in the inverted comma, it will write just n. Now we have used I multiplied by n. For example, user will enter 2, n will be replaced by 2. If user will enter 10, n will be replaced. Now let's do an example. So here, now if we want in the table, for example, we want 10th table of 10, so this is, you can enter any other number. So this is the n is the table name. Now so, and now we have to create condition. For example, we want a table till 12 or 10, or we want a table till 5. Then just copy this, because we need another integer, that is the condition till which we want to get. So this is the table limit. So table limit, for example, we want table till 10 or till 5 till 6, or we will give here. So now what is this, we just created the number. Now we will put it in the condition, because we want from initialization I equal to 1, then condition m till the condition m. For example, m is 5, it will 1 multiplied by 2, 1 multiplied by 3, 1 multiplied by 5 till 5. It will multiply till 5, not further. So let's do an example. For example, we have used 12 until we want a table till 7. So it will, now you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, just 7. So this is because we have used both conditions. These are the basic concepts for the table. If you can't understand, you can replay the video and just try to understand. This is very simple. You have to use import a scanner class, and then you have to create a condition. What is the condition? The initialization, the table which we want. So I'm just writing simple sentence, whatever we want. From whatever we will write before the for loop, it will appear before the table that we are going to create, because it is behind, it is upon the table. So this is so subscribe my channel for more updates. So if you haven't subscribe the channel. You will get a very basic concepts, very basic tutorials. You will get a basic tutorials. So let's run this. So go on the file, run file. So here, first we want to give the table. We are going to give us 7, I think 7 till 7. So we are going to give till 7. Okay, 7. Now you can see the subscribe my channel came before the table, because we written it before the loop. Loop has the compiler execute sequentially. So this is the basic video for the loop.